Chevron Renewable Energy Group has a history of making investments in areas others may have ignored. As more companies turn their attention to lower carbon solutions, we're positioned to leverage decades of experience to meet their unique needs. As industries' needs change over time, we tailor our solutions by segments and then scale them to fit multiple markets for not only today, but well into the future. With 11 biomass-based diesel plants around the world and facilities that aren't limited to a single feedstock source, the supply of our lower carbon fuel is growing. We are actively involved in advocating for public policies that support the advancement of renewable fuels. From drafting legislation to implementing guidelines at the federal, state, and local levels, we align and engage with our government relationships to best support our customers and the changing needs of the communities they serve. Implementing lower carbon fuel isn't a one-and-done proposition. We support customers with ongoing education, including webinars, in-person meetings, and estimated GHG reduction reports and regular training materials. Of course, we're always available to answer individual questions and provide technical support.